Sam Altman, the man behind OpenAI and the global AI revolution, recently made a chilling statement. People are going to lose huge amounts of money in an unbelievable way. Wait, what? The creator of ChatGPT is warning about an AI financial bubble. He's worried. Maybe we should be too. So, today we're diving deep into what some are calling the .com bubble 2.0. Is this the rise of a trillion-dollar revolution or the calm before a catastrophic crash? Stay till the end, because trust me, the answer might surprise you. And hey, if you love learning about tech money and how they shape our future, hit subscribe and join our growing community of smart thinkers. Ever since ChatGPT went viral in late 2022, something unbelievable happened. The total market value of US stocks jumped by more than $21 trillion. That's almost equal to China's entire economy. People called it AI mania. Companies slapped AI on their headlines and watched stock prices soar overnight. But here's the twist. All that excitement isn't built on profit. It's built on expectation. Take this. NVIDIA recently announced plans to invest $100 billion in OpenAI. While OpenAI agreed to buy all its chips from NVIDIA, one circular deal the result. NVIDIA's market value jumped $170 billion in a single day. Makes you wonder, are we watching innovation or inflation? Sounds familiar? Because it should. Back in the late 1990s, the internet was the magic word. Investors threw billions at anything ending in .com. Companies made fake revenue just by selling unused fiber to each other or loaning money to customers so they could pretend to buy more. That fantasy ended with a 75% collapse in NASDAQ and millions of broken dreams. Now ask yourself, are we seeing history repeat itself with AI? Here's the modern version of the .com trick. Big tech companies invest billions into AI startups like OpenAI or Anthropic. And those startups spend that same money buying cloud services from, guess who? The exact same companies. It's like passing money between pockets and calling it growth. AMD gives stock deals to OpenAI. OpenAI buys AMD chips. Microsoft invests in AI. AI uses Microsoft Azure. The numbers look beautiful, but if those transactions are just feeding each other, what's fueling actual demand? Studies show that 95% of companies adopting AI aren't seeing any return yet. ChatGPT, the most famous AI tool ever, earns from less than 2% of users paying for subscriptions. Yet, OpenAI's valuation jumped hundreds of billions in just months. In 2025, the US is set to spend almost $500 billion in AI infrastructure, while total revenue from AI services is only around $12 billion. That's not growth. That's a gap, a massive warning sign. But not everyone's scared after all this time. The players aren't small startups, they're titans. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, NVIDIA, these companies have the money, the brains, and the infrastructure to them. The risk isn't spending too much, it's spending too little, Mark Zuckerberg once said. It's better to spend hundreds of billions wrong than to miss the chance of AI altogether. So, are they boldly investing in the future or fearfully running from missing out? What do you think? Is this brave risk-taking or reckless gambling? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's imagine 3 ways this bubble could burst. 1. The domino tower. One giant falls, OpenAI. NVIDIA, Microsoft, and since they're all connected, the whole structure comes crashing down. To the external shock, a technical failure. A security breach or an AI scandal forces governments to freeze AI progress. Billions turn worthless overnight. 3. The killer invention. Someone invents a radically cheaper, faster chip or quantum system, making today's AI infrastructure instantly obsolete, and history tells us. Every technological revolution eventually meets its breaking point. So in the end, every innovation carries a bubble. That's not a curse. It's a cycle. Railways, the internet, cryptocurrencies, and now artificial intelligence. The question isn't will it burst? It's when and how much damage will it do? So, are you with the optimists believing AI will reshape everything? Or the pessimists, seeing the biggest bubble in modern history? Tell me below, I read every comment. And before you go, if you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe right now so you don't miss our next episode. It's the one where we explore what could actually trigger the AI market collapse. Stay curious, think critically, and remember, today's future hype might be tomorrow's history lesson. You've been watching the Great AI Bubble. Will it burst? I'll see you in the next one.